Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a healthy, budget-friendly, and delicious vegetable recipe using bean sprouts. I'll also show you two ways to enjoy it, as a simple stir-fry with tofu, and how to turn it into crispy vegetable spring rolls. Let's start cooking. Wash and clean all vegetables. Slice onion, garlic, carrots, and cabbage thinly. Cut sweet potato into small, thin cubes. Fry tofu until golden, then cut into cubes. Set aside. Heat oil in a pan. Sauté onion until soft. Add garlic and cook until fragrant. Add sweet potatoes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly tender. Add carrots and cabbage. Mix well. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and budget-friendly recipes. Season with fish sauce, seasoning powder, salt, and pepper. Add the bean sprouts. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes only. Do not overcook. Top with fried tofu and spring onions. I'll turn this vegetable mixture into crispy spring rolls. This is perfect if you want a crunchy and more snack-style version. Strain the cooked vegetables to remove excess liquid. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons filling on a lumpia wrapper. Fold and roll tightly. Heat oil in a pan. Fry spring rolls until golden brown. Remove and drain excess oil. And that's it. Our healthy Toge stir-fry and crispy vegetable spring rolls are ready. Simple, delicious, and perfect for any day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you in my next video.